Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to talk about the first skills in Toefl preparation, and for the first one is subject and verbs. Okay, so the point of skills, subject and verbs is so you have to remember about the sentence in English should have a subject and also a verb. So take a look at for the first one. For the first one is the president, blah blah blah, the election by the landslide. So you have to remember for number one, the president, blah blah blah. So we could analyze that. Which one is subject? Yes, the subject is the president. And then what you are going to do is try to find out which one is the verb. So the verb in this session is, it could be here, yeah. So it means you have only two options. Okay, you will have two options to find out which one is the great one. So it could be wrong, it could be wrong. So what about the president won the election by the landslide? So what about B? He won. The president, he won. Okay, B is not correct because what? Because he refers to subject. So it does not make sense if there is the president, he, the president as a subject, and he followed with he as the subject. So the answer is A. The president won the election by the landslide. Okay, so that is the first one that you have to find out, subject and also verb. Okay, so what about number two? Newspapers, blah blah blah, every morning and every evening. So what about this? Newspapers are delivery on time, regularly. So according to this one, which one is subject? This one is subject. So what about the second one? So should be followed with verb. So which one is verb? So what about this? Delivery. Do you think that delivery is one of the part of speech called verb? I don't think so, because it is not verb. So which one is verb? This one. Newspapers are delivered every morning and every evening. So the answer is B. Okay, yeah, that is the point. If you would like to find out about the subject and verb agreement in this Toefl preparation. Okay, for the exercise one, so there will be exercise one, and it is incorrect, it is correct. So you have to analyze which one is correct, which one is incorrect in this kinds of session, this kinds of exercise one. Okay, for number one, we could say that it is incorrect. My best friend always helpful with problems. So find out. So you have to find out which one is subject here. The subject is my best friend. And remember, if we talk about subject and verb, it's supposed to be verb. Harus ada verb di kanan. Nah, which one is verb in this sentence? Could you find out which one is verb? No, you couldn't find out verb in this session. So it can be identified that it is incorrect because there is no verb. What kind of verb? Yeah, the verb is. My best friend is always helpful with problems. Okay, so what about number two? It is correct. Find out the subject, the bus schedule. Okay, this is the subject, and double, so it is a double line. It could be identified as verb. The bus schedule has changed since last week. Okay, so the sentence is correct. So what about number three? Okay, number three, accidentally, blah blah. Number three, accidentally dropped the glass on the floor. So what do you think? Would you like to analyze for this one? Which one is correct? Is it correct or incorrect? Number three. Yes, it is incorrect. Why? So you have to find out which one is subject here. Is there any subject? No. If there is no subject, so So what about this? Accidentally is adverb, keterangan. Accidentally dropped. Dropped as a verb. And so you miss what? You miss subject. Nah, so it is incorrect. It's supposed to be accidentally he dropped the glass on the floor. Okay? Yep. Next, for the following sentence, the customer paying the clerk for the clothes. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Okay, the customer paying the clerk for the clothes. Is it correct or incorrect? Find out the subject. This is the subject. And so what about this? Paying. Do you think that paying is a verb? Oh, so you have to find out, to figure out, is it verb? Yes, it is. It is verb, but it is not correct enough as called as a verb, because there's no to be here. So it is incorrect. Incorrect sentence, because it's supposed to be the customer paid the clerk for the clothes. Number 5. Number 5, the professor handed the syllabus to the students. The professor handed the syllabus to the students. Which one is verb? Sorry, subject? The professor. Which one is verb? Handed, because it is past tense. The professor handed the syllabus to the students. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So what about number 6? Number 6. Each day practice the piano for hours. So it is adverb, keterangan waktu. Practice as a verb. So you miss what? You miss verb. Sorry, you miss a subject. Which one is subject? Yes, here. Each day he or she practice the piano for hours. So it is incorrect. Jadi yang benarnya adalah each day he or she practiced the piano for hours. Number 7. Number 7, the basketball player tossed the ball into the hoop. The basketball subject, tossed as a verb, this one as an object. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Number 8. The new student in the class very talkative and friendly. The new students in the class very talkative and friendly. Subject, the new student. Which one is verb? There is no verb. Okay, there is no verb here. So it's supposed to be the new student in the class is very talkative and friendly. Number 9. Walking with the children to the school. Which one is verb? This is verb. Which one is subject? There is no subject. If there is no subject, so it is incorrect. Okay? So it should be he is walking with the children to school. Number 10. The whales headed south for the winter. The whales as a subject, headed as a verb, this one as an adverb. Keterangan tempat. Okay, subject, verb. Correct? Yes, it is correct. Yeah, that's all for the first session, and I would like you to find out another skills. Yeah, for the second skills, it is object of preposition, and we will see for object of preposition next week for the next video. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.